Welcome, dear students, in our lesson today called The Time. You have to know the units of time. Look at here. We have the first unit called day. The next unit called hour. Then minute, and finally second. You have to know that one day equal 24 hours and the hour equal 60 minutes and minute equal 60 seconds. You have to know also that half day equal 12 hour, quarter day equal 6 hour, third day equals 8 hours, 1/6 of day equals 4 hours, 1/8 of day equals 3 hours. Also, half hour equal 30 minutes, quarter hour equal 15 minutes, 3/4 hour equal 45 minutes. Look at drill 1. You learned before the two units for measuring time, the hour and the minute. Complete the following for revision. Letter A, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Letter B, 90 minutes equal 1.5 hour, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes plus half hour equals 30 minutes. 60 minutes plus 30 minutes equals 90 minutes. Letter C, 3 hours equals how many minutes? Hours is larger unit. To convert it to smaller unit, you have to multiply by 60. 3 times 60 equals 180. 120 minutes equals how many hours? Smaller unit to larger unit, you have to divide by what? Divide by 60. 120 divided 60 equals 2 hours. Half hour equals how many minutes? Equals 30 minutes. Letter G, third hour equals how many minutes? To convert from hour to minutes, we said that we have to multiply by 60. So, multiply third times 60 equals 20 minutes. One hour and third hour, we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, third hour equals 20 minutes, 1 hour and third hour, that means 60 minutes plus 20 minutes equals 80 minutes. Letter I, 150 hour, 150 minutes equals how many hour? 150 minutes. To convert from smaller unit to larger unit, you have to divide. Divide by what? Divide by 60. So 150 divided by 60, cancel 1 0 by 1 0, so it becomes 15 over 6. 15 over 6 equals 2 and a half. 2.5 hours. 90 seconds equals how many minutes? 90 seconds, 1 minute equals 60 seconds, plus 30 seconds equals 90 seconds. That means 90 seconds equals 1.5 minutes. Look at drill 2. Letter A. 3 minutes equals how many seconds? We said time, you have to multiply 3 by 60 equals 180. 4 minutes, also multiply it by 60, sorry. 4 times 60 equals 240 minutes. 240 minutes equals how many? 240 seconds equals how many minutes? Equals 4 minutes. 120 seconds equals how many minutes? 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 60 plus 60 equals 120. That means 120 seconds equals 2 minutes. 1 hour equals how many minutes? Equals 60 minutes. Equals what times what seconds? 60 times 60 equals 3,600 seconds. So 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. Look at drill 3, letter A. 2 days equals how many hours? Multiply 2 times 24 equals 48 hours. 1 day equals 24 hours. Third of day, we said third of day, that means 24 divided 3 equals 8 hours. Quarter of day equals, that means we divided 24 divided 4 equals 6 hours. 3 days equals 72 hours. 3 times 24 equals 62. 4 days equals 4 times 24 equals 96 hours. 72 hours equals 72 divided 24 equals 3 days. 84 hours divided how many days? You have to divide 84 divided 24 equals 3.5 days. Drill 4, arrange the following in ascending order. You have to have the same units. We have here minutes, seconds, day. You have to convert all units to 1 unit to can arrange. So we will convert all units to hours. 1,440 minutes divided by 60 equals 24 hours. Equal 24 hours. 3,600 seconds equals 1 hour. Third day equals 24 divided 3 equals 8 hours. 1 over 8 of day equals 24 divided 8 equals 3 hours. Ascending, that means 3,600 seconds. Then 1 over 8 of day. Then third over 8. A third of day, and finally 1,440 minutes. Look at drill 6. Choose the suitable answer from between brackets. Letter A, doing the homework yesterday 3 hours. I watched a football match in the television for 100 minutes. Preparing Friday breakfast takes half an hour. A person sleeps daily for about 500 minutes. An employee works daily for half of day. Look at drill 7. Choose the suitable measuring unit. The daily time taken by a student to watch TV, hour. Letter B, deciding the winner in a running for 100-meter game, second. Letter C, deciding the time taken for a football match, minute. Look at exercise number 5. Put suitable sign more than or less than or equal in each square. Letter A, 3/4 hour and 50 minutes. We know that 3/4 hour equal 45 minutes, so 50 minutes is more than. Letter B, third of day. We know that third of day equals 24 divided 3 equals 8 hours, so third of day is more than 7 hours. 122nd and 3 minutes. We know that 3 minutes equals 180 seconds, so 3 minutes is more than 120 seconds. 2 hours and 9,000 seconds. 2 hours, 1 hour equals 3,600 plus 3,600 equals 7,002 seconds. So 9,000 seconds is more than 2 hours. Look at exercise number 6. An engineer works 8 hours daily in an investment company. His salary is £10 for an hour. Find his salary. Letter A, in a week. Note that he works 5 days in a week. 5 days. You have to know his salary at 1 day. His salary at 1 day equals 8 hours times 10. Because his salary is £10 for an hour equals £80. Letter A, in a week. He works 5 days in a week, so you have to multiply 80 times 5 equals 40 pounds. Letter B, in 7 weeks, you have to multiply 40 pounds times 7 equals, put 2 zeros, 4 times 7 equals 28 pounds. Thanks, dear students.